To MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2014 Porsche Boxster. Black and black with a 6-speed manual and beautiful yellow calipers. Great looking car. So in this model, of course, it's a mid-engine, so your engine's right behind that panel there. You've got lots of trunk space in the back here. Let me close this one and show you that this little spoiler comes up electronically, and I'll show you that later. Little button inside. It's got the single exhaust in the middle at the back. It sounds fabulous. Have a look at the rear wheel here, in fabulous condition. Beautiful Porsche emblems in the center there, and then the Porsche yellow calipers, cross-drilled rotors, beautiful tires. And on the inside here, it's got the perforated leather seating. Just a fabulous driver's car. That's what this is for. It's for driving. Have a look inside there. Over here we've got the glove box. In the glove box are the books. In there you also have a power outlet and a line in if you want to put your own stereo in there, your own system. And this opens up like so, and you've got 2 cup holders that come out just like that. So pretty cool. Let me close that. And close that, and we're all good. Close that. Nice looking system. So this just says drinks, by the way, in case you're wondering what that is. So super looking car, very comfortable. You've got power recliners on both sides, and then multi-function adjustments, a little cargo area over there, a little cargo net, which is really neat. And on the front wheel here, no curb rash, just a beautiful looking Porsche rim with the Porsche logo in the middle there. Nice little gold cap, and then your yellow calipers, cross-drilled rotors, and we've painted up the rotors to clean them all up and make it look like brand new. Under the front here you have another trunk, and in this trunk you've got a little oil kit and a Jimmy Hoffa let me get out handle right there. Up here is your windshield washer fluid and brake fluid right there. So beautiful design, clean car, just a lot of fun to drive. So the nice gold Porsche emblem right there, Stuttgart, beautiful. So on the front here, a couple little stone chips that you're seeing, nothing major, no accidents, no damage, just a little bit of normal wear. Really clear lights, the nice HID headlamps. Here's your other front wheel, no curb rash, painted rotors, painted calipers, cross-drilled rotors, the nice emblem on the wheels, and again, ditto back here, looking fabulous. On the driver's door, you've got power windows, power mirrors, and down here are your power front and rear hatch openers. There is your power recliner and multifunction driver's seat. And again, a driver's car, so not a lot of big features on the car, other than, of course, when it goes around the corner, it goes beautifully. This is 265 horsepower with a 6-speed manual transmission. The key on the left here on a Porsche, and we'll just fire it up. So, Porsche. So 37,791 are the kilometers that you see there. Power convertible top that you can operate up to about 30 kilometers an hour. You've got your stereo radio there, air conditioning, sport button, which is an important one, traction control off if you choose, the auto engine off you can turn off, and then this one is the rear spoiler, so I'll put that up so that we can have a look at that when we get out. Nothing is like this little Boxster. This thing goes around corners like mad. The driving feel, the comfort, the joy of driving it is just incredible. So here's your power top. Let's just put that up. Here we go. And it's a one-touch button now. There's not even a clasp. Even that one operates by itself. And it even puts up the power windows for you, just like so. So beautiful. So all the toys you need. Cruise control over here. Your driver information center up here, so you can change all that. Add your phone, check your tires, check your gauges, check your radio, everything right there. So have a look in the door frame as I'm getting out. Super looking car, fabulous condition. The top is in great shape, no worries there. Check that out. That is a good looking car. There's your spoiler in the upright position, and it's an automatic spoiler to help bring the rear end down when you're driving on the highway, so it will do that automatically if required. It sounds great, doesn't it? So there you have it, folks. That's a 2014 Porsche Boxster, 6-speed manual, just 37K, triple black, here and available at munromotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.